teams looking to ensure they are using high-quality OSS components in their applications can access a wealth of information directly from within Black Duck. As an example, let's look at a component our team selected for an application we're building. The description shows that this component is a relational database written in Java. Given this, it is likely that this component is critical to the functioning of the application. This component version was released in 2016. We're at version 2.3.4, but there are 15 newer versions available. In the last year, there have been over 200 changes made to the code by 4 contributors, and the most recent change was only a few days ago. These are all good signs of a healthy component with an active community maintaining it. We can also see that 3 versions of this version component are used by 2 projects. To dig deeper into the details of the component, we can click the Open Hub link. Open Hub is a free service offered by Synopsys. It's intended to provide information on the overall health of a given open source project so that teams using open source code can select the best component for their product. Since it can be difficult to identify the authoritative location for open source projects, Open Hub provides links to the relevant homepage, documentation, and download locations. If we scroll down, we can see other valuable information when selecting the right component. Details such as license obligations, the current state of project security, the level of code activity, as well as who the contributors are. Let's go back to the Black Duck component information to see how our knowledge might guide a manual review workflow. There have been a number of releases for this component, and the most recent version is 2.7.1. Filtering on version 2.7.1 reveals more component details. This version was released at the end of October and has no outstanding vulnerabilities. Obtaining visibility of component health and viability before building them into your applications saves development teams from having to resolve issues later down the line, which means more time spent innovating. To learn more, visit blackduck.com/SCA.